Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel English in You. My name is Nawab. In our today's class, we'll be discussing another type of writing task 2 essay, which is discuss both the views and give your opinion. So first of all, let's have a look at our topic, which is some people say that the best way to improve public health is by increasing the number of sports facilities. Others, however, say that this would have little effect on public health and that other measures are required. Discuss both the views and give your own opinion. So first of all, let's discuss how we are going to format this essay. Now this is our format basically. First, we'll have a look at our introduction, then the body paragraph 1, 2 and then the conclusion. So in our introduction, first of all, we are going to paraphrase the both views, view number 1 and view number 2, and we'll also present some kind of indications what we think about view 1 and what we are thinking about view 2. And then we'll have a slight description of what we are thinking from our opinion. So first, when we paraphrase and when we give indication, we present a general view, and then at the end of our introduction we present an opinion from our side. So this is how we are going to format our introduction. Now let's move to body paragraph number 1, where we are going to discuss the first view, and whatever we are going to think about the first view, we will describe that in our arguments, and when we present some reasons to support our argument, then it will be followed by an example relating to that view only. Lastly, to conclude our paragraph, we'll be describing that due to this and this reason, this view is stating like this, so that we'll format our paragraph number 1. Now let's move to paragraph number 2. In our paragraph number 2, we'll be describing view 2. First of all, we will paraphrase view 2 from the introduction itself, and the point which we have given as our indication, we'll be taking that point only. We'll take that point followed by some arguments and reasons to support our point. Then we'll present another example relating to our point number 2 or view 2. Finally, we'll conclude that paragraph, that particular paragraph. Lastly, we are going to move to our conclusion. Our conclusion from my perspective is the paraphrase of our introduction only, because conclusion from my understanding means a summary of the text written above. And if we can see, our introduction shows the summary, what we think about this view, and we also have discussed or given some indication points to view number 1 and view number 2. That's why we are going to present an overview, a paraphrase of the introduction to formulate our conclusion. Remember, we'll always write in conclusion or to conclude, to begin our conclusion paragraph, so that it indicates the examiner that here we are winding up our things, we are summarizing our entire essay. Lastly, there are some tips for you that our essay should have paragraphs which contain one central theme, because in IELTS descriptors, if you are going to see, they are asking you to describe it having a solo theme, a one theme for each paragraph. So we'll have one major point for both of the paragraphs. And secondly, we'll write 250 words plus 250 words. Obviously, we'll make 4 paragraphs only, which we have already discussed. We will not write any word which we are unaware of, which we are not sure of, because to avoid the probability of making a mistake or being wrong. Lastly, we'll try to use synonyms as more as we can to achieve point number 7. Thank you very much. Hope you keep subscribing to my channel. Till then, bye.